In this video, I will explain about 4 naming reactions of benzaldehyde: Claisen-Schmidt, benzoin, Perkins, and Norvenagel reactions. Okay, so these are reactions of benzaldehyde. So first, let us see about Claisen-Schmidt reaction. It's actually a condensation between the aromatic aldehyde such as benzaldehyde and aliphatic aldehyde such as acetaldehyde, or it can be an acetone even. Okay, condensation occurs in presence of dilute NaOH. So I have written the benzaldehyde in this form. Okay, C double bond O in this direction, and what happens is it's a simple reaction. Water is removed. Okay, H2 from here and oxygen from here is removed. Then remaining we can combine. If oxygen removed, or else I can let me write like this also, CH, here H2. Okay, this is also CH3, right? Okay, water is removed. Then the remaining portion we can combine. All right, so that is C6H5 from here, and then CH. All right, so this double bond, then this CH. Okay, then aldehydic group. What do you get? C6H5, CH double bond, CH, then C double bond OH, or we can also say it as CHO, C6H5, CH double bond, CH, CHO. So this is said to be cinnamaldehyde. Okay, so Claisen-Schmidt, benzaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. Okay, aromatic aldehyde combines with acetaldehyde such as aliphatic aldehyde in the presence of dilute NaOH to form cinnamaldehyde. So this is Claisen-Schmidt reaction. So next we'll see about a benzoin reaction. In benzoin reaction, two benzaldehyde condenses. So let me write benzaldehyde here. C6H5, okay, C double bond O H. So I am writing in this way now. Okay, so let me put another benzaldehyde, C6H5, okay, C double bond O H. So in two different ways I have written. Okay, in the presence of KCN, alcoholic KCN. So actually, if benzaldehyde condenses in the presence of sodium hydroxide, we call that to be Cannizzaro reaction. Okay, if it condenses in the presence of KCN, then it is said to be benzoin reaction. Okay, so it's very simple. So what we have to do is hydrogen from here should go and attach with this oxygen, and the remaining group should get attached with the carbon. That's it. So the only thing is you should know to write the benzaldehyde in these two different forms correctly, then we can get the product easily. Okay, so let me write the product now. C6H5, C OH, COH, and okay, because hydrogen gets attached to this oxygen. This hydrogen we have to put here, right? So CH. I think it's clear now. C6H5, CH. Okay. Then the remaining group, that is C double bond O, C6H5, should get attached. C double bond O, C6H5 should get attached. This is alpha hydroxy ketone, benzoin. So benzoin is produced by benzoin reaction. It's very simple. Two benzaldehydes condenses in the presence of alcoholic KCl to form benzoin. Alright, so next we will see about Perkins reaction. First we saw about Claisen-Skimmett. Next we have seen about benzoin condensation reaction. Alright, so next reaction will be Perkins. Perkins is also a reaction of benzaldehyde. Okay, so let me write benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH. So this is a reaction whereby benzaldehyde reacts with acetic anhydride. Now you should know to write acetic anhydride CH3 C double bond O. Okay, O C double bond O CH3. So this is how we write acetic anhydride. Okay, so these two combines, actually there will be water removal. H2 from here and oxygen from here will get removed. And this reaction occurs in the presence of sodium acetate. How will you write sodium acetate? CH3 COONA. Okay, so if water is removed, then how can we write the product? So this is how we write the product when water is removed between these two molecules. Okay, C6H5CH double bond. So H2 is removed, so I have written CH there. Alright, so this undergoes hydrolysis. So addition of water. This undergoes hydrolysis to form two acids. Alright, so one will be cinnamic acid, another will be acetic acid. Cinnamic acid means C6H5 CH double bond CH COOH. Acetic acid is CH3 COOH. Cinnamic acid and acetic acid. So in Perkins reaction, benzaldehyde reacts with acetic anhydride in the presence of sodium acetate. Okay, there will be removal of water actually to form this form of molecule intermediate. Then this on hydrolysis you get cinnamic acid and then acetic acid. So we have completed Perkins reaction. Next we will see about the Navani-Gal reaction. It's a reaction between benzaldehyde. So let me put benzaldehyde C double bond O this side. Benzaldehyde and malonic acid. Okay, so malonic acid is a dicarboxylic acid CH2 COOH and then COOH. So this is malonic acid. So what happens is water removal, H2 from here and then oxygen from here will get removed. This is an unstable intermediate where from the carbon dioxide will also be removed. Okay, then you get cinnamic acid. So we have completed 4 naming reactions of benzaldehyde.